My name is Joseph Daley, and I'm the lead agent for the Daley Group. So basically, every day I get up and I get to go to the office and I get to work with a team of incredible people who love what they do. We're very passionate about people and helping people achieve the dreams that they have. So most days we're working with homeowners and home sellers trying to go to the next place, maybe upsizing or downsizing. A lot of my day looks like showing homes or setting up searches for buyers or just making sure that everything is moving smoothly along the line towards a successful closing. And most of the time we're planning a party. You know, what's our next party that we're doing? What's our next big event? And so we get to spend a lot of time focusing on the people that are most important, and that's our clients. So originally, our family is from Mississippi and we moved here years ago. And so I grew up here in Birmingham, in Pelham specifically, graduated from Pelham High School in 2013, went off to college and got to go to Jeff State for a couple of years and then to UAB. The dream was always to go to Alabama, but I ended up at UAB. And it actually produced some of the greatest things in my life, some of the greatest friendships and relationships and opportunities, like running our team, came from being here in Birmingham. So Birmingham is home to me. It's very special to me. I know it very well. And now I get to help people navigate it who may not know Birmingham as well as I do. And that is probably one of the most fun parts of my job. So during my time at the University of Alabama at Birmingham, I thought that I was getting a television degree, a communications, like, you know, let's be on TV, live broadcasts, news, those sorts of things, right? And what we found out in our fourth year was that we were actually getting a communication studies degree with a concentration in mass communications. So it really turned out better for us because we got to learn about how communication works and how that applies not only to our life and to just, you know, the study of communications, but also to business and people and negotiating and all the different things. So I tell people all the time that I got a communication studies degree, but I really think I got a real estate degree because it really prepared me for what I do now. So when I'm not working, my favorite people call me Uncle Jojo. And so I have the two most precious twin niece and nephew, but then there's also all of my friends' kids call me Jojo too. And so it's very special. I get to spend a lot of time with them. I think my favorite part of my job is that every single day is different. Like there's never 2 days that always go the same way or the same things happen, or, you know, it's always something new and fresh, or I'm learning something new that I never knew about real estate before, right? I mean, if you wanted to put my life into one statement, it would just be that people are my passion, and they always have been for as long as I can remember. I just love people, and so getting to be a part of your life is special to me. People always ask me what makes the Daley Group different, and so we've kind of turned it into our own phrase of the daily difference, right? And so the daily difference is simply just this: life beyond the transaction. I mean, it's so important to us that when people come into our world, you're not just coming into our world just for us to help you find a house, write a contract, you get what you want, we get a paycheck. That's not a life that we want to be a part of, right? I would say that the daily difference is that relationship beyond the transaction. We want to be a part of your life. We want to know about your kids. We want to know about, you know, what's going on with your family, and we want to be a part of that. So I would say that's probably the biggest difference in doing business with us than anybody else. It's truly relational and not transactional.